Welcome. If you're looking to delete your email address from Instagram using the PC app after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new process, so you can easily remove your email and keep your account information up to date. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to delete the email address. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled More. Click on that to open a menu with additional options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Next, find and click on Accounts Center. This is where Instagram now manages personal details across its connected apps. Inside the Accounts Center, you'll see a section called Personal Details. Click on that to continue. Now, you'll find an option labeled Contact Info. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll see all the contact information linked to your Instagram account, including your email addresses. Find the email address you want to delete. Click on it, and you'll see the option to delete. Click Delete, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Make sure you really want to remove this email, then confirm the step. And that's it. Your email address has now been deleted from your Instagram account. Remember, if this was your only email on file, consider adding a new one to keep your account secure and recoverable. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.